students of 11th Commerce. Today I am going to teach you Chapter 1 of Business Study, Nature and Purpose of Business. In this chapter, our today's topic is Types of Industrial Activities. It means how many types of industrial activities performed. Before knowing the industrial activities, first of all, I am going to tell you about what is industry. Industry means those economic activities which are connected with conversion of resources into useful goods. It means in industry, we convert our resources into useful goods. Especially industry produce two types of goods. First is consumer goods and the second is producers goods. So what is consumer goods? Consumer goods are those goods which are produced by the industry and directly consumed by the consumer are called consumer goods. For example, shoes, clothes, eatable items, etc. And what is producers goods? Those goods which are produced in production of other goods are called producers goods like steel, machinery, factory building, etc. All the producer goods are utilized in production of other goods. And now, types of industrial activities. Students, there are mainly three types of industrial activities. First is primary industry, second is secondary industry, and the third is tertiary industry. Now, types of primary industry means कि what is primary industry and how many types of its. Primary industry means all those activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms are called primary industry. In primary industry, especially we produce goods from natural resources and reproduce or make reproduction from animals. There are mainly two types of primary industry. The first is extractive industry and the second is genetic industry. What is extractive industry? Those industries which are engaged in raising product from natural resources are called extractive industry. Means in extractive industry, we raise products from natural resources. For example, farming and mining. The next type of primary industry is genetic industry. What are genetic industry? Those industrial activities which are engaged in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction are called genetic industry. For example, poultry farming, cattle breeding, fishing, etc. are called genetic industry. So, there are two types of primary industry. One is extractive industry and the other is genetic industry. Example of extractive industry is farming and mining, and example of genetic industry is poultry farming, cattle breeding, etc. Now, what is secondary industry and how many types of secondary industry? Secondary industry means those economic activities which are connected with using the material which comes from primary industry and convert it into final product is called secondary industry. It means in secondary industry, we convert the raw material which we get from primary industry into final products. There are mainly two types of secondary industry. The first is manufacturing industry and the second is construction industry. Now, what is manufacturing industry? Manufacturing industries includes all those industries which are engaged in processing of raw material to produce finished goods. Means in manufacturing industry, all the activities are engaged in conversion of raw material into final product. For example, cotton industry, textile industry and cement industry. The next type of secondary industry is, the topic is secondary industry. There are mainly two types of secondary industry. The first is manufacturing industry and the second is construction industry. Students, first of all, what is secondary industry? Secondary industries include all those economic activities which are related to conversion of raw material into final products. For example, cotton industry, textile industry and cement industry. And there are mainly four types of manufacturing industry. First is analytical industry, second is synthetical industry, third is processing industry and the fourth is assembly industry. First, what is analytical industry? The industry in which raw materials are analyzed and separated into different finished products is called analytical industry. For example, crude oil. From crude oil, after analyzing it, we get different types of product like kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG gas, lubricants, etc. The next type of manufacturing industry is synthetical industry. Students, in synthetical industry, two or more than two materials are combined together in manufacturing process to get a final product. It means in synthetical industry, we mix two or more than two ingredients in a certain proportion and get a new product. For example, cement industry and cosmetic industry. The third type of manufacturing industry is processing industry. In processing industry, a product passes through various stages to become a final product. Means, when a product passes through different process for become a final product, it is called processing industry. For example, sugar industry and paper industry. And the next type of secondary industry is assembling industry. What is assembling industry? In this industry, different components are assembled to make a new product. Means, in assembling industry, we assemble different parts of a product and get a new product. This type of industry is called assembling industry. For example, automobile industry, TV industry, etc. The next type of secondary industry is construction industry. What is construction industry? All those industrial activities which are engaged in construction activities. Means, in this type of industry, only construction activities are performed. For example, building, construction of road, construction of overbridge, construction of tunnels, etc. are called construction industry. The third type of industrial activity is tertiary industry. What is tertiary industry? Tertiary industry is also called service sector. Means, a type of industry which promote the industrial activities of primary industry and secondary industry is called tertiary tertiary industry. Student, tertiary industries provide different types of services to primary and secondary industries. Those services are transport, banking, insurance, advertising and warehousing. Without these facilities, primary industry and secondary industry not functioning well. So tertiary industry is also important for the proper growth of primary industry and secondary industry. And students, remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next class. Thank you, students.